Hello 7th class. In our yesterday's video, we have started chapter 2 Monday morning and done the question answers and keywords of the same. Today we will be doing the bookwork of same chapter. So let us start. First is find from the box 3 other words that have almost same meaning. C's. First is C. Help box is given here. We have to pick 3 similar words. Similar words means synonym. We need to pick the synonyms for these words. Seize. Seize means grasp, clutch, capture. Means किसी चीज़ को capture कर लेना. मतलब क्लच पकड़ना, होल्ड. ग्रैस्प मीन्स किसी चीज़ पे पकड़ होना. कैप्चर मतलब उसे पकड़ लेना. ओके, सो ऑल हैव द सेम मीनिंग. अवेफुल मीन्स फियरफुल, डरावना, हॉरिबल, डरावना. ड्रेडफुल ऑल्सो मीन्स डर से भरा हुआ, डरावना. ग्रोन. ग्रोन व्हेन यू आर complaining with a deep sound. When sometime you are in pain and you are complaining with a deep sound, that is groaning. Mourning, grumble and lament all have the same meaning. Next is response. Response is reply, answer, reaction मतलब उत्तर देना. Investigate खोज करना. Examine, search, inquire all have the same meaning. Next is join the following pairs of sentences by using because conjunction. So see, in each sentence two different sentences are given and we have to join them by using conjunction because. First one is he didn't work hard, full stop, he failed. Now we have to join both the sentences. They have done as an example. He failed, वो fail हो गया because he didn't work hard, क्योंकि उसने hard work नहीं किया. So we will make this he will succeed, वो कामयाब हो जाएगा because he has worked hard, क्योंकि उसने work hard किया है. You should start early, तुम्हें जल्दी निकलना चाहिए था because it is a long journey, क्योंकि जो यात्रा है वो बहुत लंबी है. He is not going to work, वो काम पर नहीं जा रहा है because there is a strike, क्योंकि हड़ताल हुई है. It was raining heavily, the meeting had to be postponed. मीटिंग पोस्टपोन करनी पड़ गई थी. इट वॉज रेनिंग हैविली, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ बारिश हो रही थी. सो द मीटिंग हैड टू बी पोस्टपोन्ड. मीटिंग को पोस्टपोन करना पड़ गया था बिकॉज इट वॉज रेनिंग हैविली, क्योंकि बारिश बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ हो गई थी. हियर वी विल ब्रिंग द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इन द लास्ट टू जॉइन टू मेक अ सेंस ऑफ द सेंटेंस. यहाँ पे हम फर्स्ट सेंटेंस को लास्ट में लेके आएंगे सेंटेंस की सेंस बनाने के लिए, एज इट इज़ डन इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. सेम वी विल डू इन सिक्स सेंटेंस. टॉम हैड मेड अ रो ओवर नथिंग. आंट पोली वॉज एंग्री विद हिम. सो आंट पोली वॉज एंग्री विद हिम. आंट पोली उससे बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्से में थी बिकॉज टॉम हैड मेड अ रो ओवर नथिंग. ओके, so next is rewrite each sentence using not, any in place of no. sentences में जहाँ no दिया हुआ है उसको remove करके हम not और any का use करेंगे. like he discovered nothing, तो the sentence will be he did not discover anything. same way come nowhere near me. Don't come anywhere near me. They found nobody at home. They did not find anybody at home. They went nowhere after supper. They did not go anywhere after supper. They had done no work for 4 days. They had not done any work for 4 days. My uncle can see nothing without glasses. My uncle can't see anything without glasses. So here you can see that we have removed not and any in place of, and we use there no. Next is correct the following sentences. sentences में हमने correction करनी है. few sentences, all the sentences are given in wrong manner. Sid asked Tom what was the matter. So Sid asked Tom what the matter was. सेम आई आस्क द लिटल गर्ल वॉट वॉज हर नेम. उसका नाम क्या था. सो सेंटेंस विल बी आई आस्क द लिटल गर्ल वॉट हर नेम वॉज. वी विल रिमूव हियर वॉज फ्रॉम हैर एंड वी विल यूज इट एट द लास्ट. नेक्स्ट आंट पोली आस्क्ड टॉम वाई वॉज ही क्राइंग. इट विल बी नॉट वाई ही वॉज, इट वुड बी वाई ही वॉज. आंट पोली आस्क्ड टॉम वाई ही वॉज crying. The teacher asked Misha where she was going. The teacher asked Misha where was she going, so it will be where she was, not what she. I asked the tailor when would my dress be ready. So would यहाँ नहीं आएगा, it will be I asked the tailor when my dress would be ready. Next is the teacher asked Mohan why had he told a lie. तो had ही नहीं होगा, it would be he had. The teacher asked Mohan why he had told a lie. Next is speaking and listening. This we will do in the classroom when we will reopen with the school. Okay, so I will send you the picture. Apart from this, I am having homework for you. It's comprehension in your English grammar book. You have to solve this yourself. Okay, I'm sending the picture. Try to do this yourself. Okay beta. Okay, thank you.